Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, for today's video, we have another sneaker pickup, another day, another video, another sneaker pickup. Hashtag it, throw it in the Twitters, throw it in the comment section down below. Today's video is going to be another double sneaker unboxing. Yes, another double whammy. Just one last thing, the socials, the Instagram and the Twitter, that's going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and at IMCHRISBRIGGS too. Follow me on all the socials, man. Stay tuned to all the things that I got going on, because I don't just have sneaker stuff dropping. I'm just letting you know that. I'm just gonna let you know that. Here we go. Oh, as you guys can see, just real quick, just like that, look, boom, you already know what it is. Reeboks boxes, yeah, yup. We getting destructive. We're getting destructive. These right here are already falling over, so we're just going to grab these right here. Now, as you guys can see, we have a Reebok box, and it says the Answer 5. Reebok Answer 5 in a size 10. Ooh, you gotta love it. What colorway is this? We about to see right now. You ready? Let's go. Ooh. 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 Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Classic. Classic. Look at that. That's gorgeous right there. The sneaker that I picked up is the Reebok Answer 5, but in the white and metallic silver colorway. These things are definitely super duper fire. One thing that I will say about the Iverson series is that every single sneaker that comes out is full of great, spectacular quality. That's one thing that I will say about these. The quality is just fantastic. The leather, just the tumbled leather that you see around here, and just that, even that little silver part right there. Oh, the quality is just, I already have a pair of Answer 5s. Well, not the two I'm about to show you. I have another pair. Now that pair is the black pair, and that is in a 9.5. Now, you know I got these in a size 10. I recommend that if you guys are going after these, that you guys go true to size. Do not go a half size down or a half size big. You go a half size down, they gonna eat your feet. You go a half size up, you gonna swim in them things. You feel me? You don't want to swim. You kind of want to just like be like, you just want to have like a snug fix. So this was the white Reebok Answer 5. Hold on 1 minute. So you already know that we have the white Reebok Answer 5. We had to get the black ones too. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. That's what you call leather quality, bro. That's good leather quality. You got to admit it, bro. Listen, bro, we're all the consumers here, so we just want to make sure that when we're spending money on these shoes that we're getting great quality. And I'm not gonna lie, I love Jordan Brand, I love Nike, all of that. Reebok, the Iverson series always comes together with fire quality. Fire quality. Now, are these the most breathable shoes? No. But is the quality fire, like leather on the insides too? You see that? It's great. It's awesome. So when it comes to both of the Iversons that I picked up, both are definitely fire. Got the black joints right here. Oh, take a look, take a look. Then we also got the white joints right here. Take a look. Which ones are you messing with? You guys like the black ones better or the white ones better? Honestly, I'm not gonna lie. I love them both equally. But there's something about the white pair that's just, it's just so crispy. And y'all know me, bro. You know me. I hate white bottoms. I hate white bottoms, but I just have to do it this time. I just have to. Listen, I had to double up on this sneaker because the size 9.5 that I copped was too tight. It hurt. It hurt my feet. It felt good walking around, but after a while, it just kills your feet. So you gotta go your true size. But without further ado, that's the end of this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Now, how do you guys feel about the Reebok Answer 5, the white and the black joints? Let me know in the comment section down below. As you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, 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 and Chris Briggs signing out.